Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my 22 Cfmoto Zforce 950. What we're going to get installed today is my new tires for it. I'm going to go by 30 by 10 by 14. We're going to replace the factory 27-inch tires on the front and rear. And I purchased these through Royal Distributing online. I feel that this is a really balanced tread on the tire, which is going to work great for the areas that I would take this side by side. What we're going to do is take the measurements from the front and rear just to see how much ground clearance it is with the factory setup, and then once the new tires are installed, we'll check the ground clearance after. So on the front, we're rated about 10.5 inches. We're going at the bottom of the skid plate or plow mount right here. And at the back, we're going to go to the bottom of the trailer hitch, and it is almost exactly 11 inches. So we're going to see how much more ground clearance we actually gain by going up from a 27-inch tire to a 30-inch tire. And as you've seen in one of the last videos there's my new John Deere 1025R tractor. Can't wait to play with this. And also another video for down the road is a new lift kit. That's going to give the side-by-side another 1.5 inches. So we'll do a full installation video on installing the lift kit. We get all the tires off. Let's get them to the shop. Alright, so I just got the tires swapped over on the rims thanks to Jerry's Tires locally here. So we're going to get these installed. Alright, so we got all 4 tires installed. Must say I really love the looks of them as well as the stance it gives. So what I'll potentially look into is wheel spacers. The back rims, they're 8-inch rims, the front are 7, so we're going to make sure the stance is proper, so we'll look at that at a later date. So I've taken it for a drive around the yard. That way we'll let the suspension settle a little bit, and I've adjusted the air pressure. So let's check the ground clearance now. Alright, so the front now, it's looking at about 13.25. And it was 10.5. And for the back, it's around 13 inches. So we've gained about 2 inches in the back, and roughly 2 inches, give or take a little bit, in the front. So again, when you're going up 3 tire sizes from 27 to 30, you're typically not going to gain 3 inches. We gain roughly 2 inches. So the next project is installing the Perfex 1.5 inch lift kit. So we'll be doing a video on that hopefully in the next few weeks. So we're going out on this tomorrow, so we'll see how these new tires handle. It certainly looks identical to a truck tire tread, which I kind of like. And make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions or comments, like always, make sure you post them below. If not, I really appreciate you watching. Take care.